In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable a Google Form link. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Alright, let's dive in. If you've ever found yourself needing to close a form on Google Forms, don't worry, it's a pretty straightforward process. This might be something you want to do if you've collected all the responses you need, or if you're no longer accepting new entries. So here we go. First things first, you want to open the specific form that you're looking to close. For the sake of this demonstration, let's say I want to close a particular form that I've been using. So go ahead and navigate to your Google Forms and open the form in question. Once you have the form open, look over to the top right corner of your screen. You should see a button that says Published. This is where we'll start our journey to disabling the form. Go ahead and click on that. A menu will pop up, and you're about to see a couple of options that we need to address. The first option you'll see is Accepting Responses, and next to it there's a toggle switch. Now this is the key step in the process. You want to go ahead and toggle that switch off. Trust me, it's as simple as that. Once you do this, the form will display a message indicating that it's no longer accepting responses. This change is crucial, as it prevents any new submissions from being accepted. Now, don't forget to save this change. Google Forms usually saves your changes automatically, but it's always a good practice to ensure everything is up to date. Fortunately, you'll see a little message telling you that the changes have been saved. That's a reassuring sign. Next, we want to take an additional step to make sure that no one can even access the form link anymore. So let's go back to the Publish button again. Under the Responders section, which typically includes anyone who has the link, you'll want to click on Manage. Here's where it gets a bit more specific. We want to completely close the access to this form so that even those who had the link can no longer open it. Under the Responders view, you should see an option that says Anyone with the link. Click on that, and then you'll find an option that says Remove Link. Click on that as well. And just like that, the access has been updated. This means that no one can access this form anymore, which is exactly what we wanted to achieve. Once you've done that, feel free to click on Done. And there you have it. Disabling a Google Form link is really that easy and simple. You've effectively closed the form to new responses, and you've made sure no one can access it anymore. If you ever need to re-enable the form or reopen it, you can easily toggle the switch back on and manage the link accordingly. I find that being able to manage forms effectively can really streamline your processes, whether it's for collecting feedback, managing events, or anything else you might be using Google Forms for. Hopefully this tutorial has made the process clear and easy to follow. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.